I made $5,000 in 5 days from YouTube Shorts generated entirely by AI, and in this video, I will show you exactly how you can do the same. First things first, I began by setting up 10 YouTube channels. I made sure that the 10 channels covered a number of different niches on YouTube, and I made sure that those niches were highly popular and were already getting lots of views. This set the stage for the shorts to go viral later on. I used ChatGPT to come up with the names for the channels, and I used Canva templates to design the logos and banners. Next, it was time to make the shorts, and this is where things got interesting. My strategy involved posting 2 shorts per day across 10 different channels. That adds up to 140 videos a week. Now, I know that sounds like a lot, right? But here's the twist. I was going to use AI to do every single bit. Now, you might be thinking, hang on, isn't there a risk of violating YouTube's strict policy against re-uploading others' content? Well, my friends, that's where I pulled out a very clever trick. But before we get to that, let's talk about the fun part first, mass-producing the YouTube Shorts. For this, I used Opus Clips. I then started hunting down viral, long-form YouTube videos that already had millions of views. With my 10 channels, I used podcasts, motivational videos, and sports clips. I then copied these long-form videos, pasted them into the AI tool, and then just sat back and watched the magic happen. And bang! Just like that, the AI automatically generates dozens of short-form videos from a single long-form one. The next step was picking and downloading the most promising shorts, the ones I felt had a real shot at going viral. Now, you might have seen popular YouTube videos recommending Canva for creating shorts, but in my experience, shorts made this way often don't pull in as many views and can be quite time-consuming to create. My goal was clear: create as many viral shorts in as little time as possible. But there is one very big problem. YouTube will not allow channels to monetize these videos. But this is where I used a very clever trick. To pass YouTube's originality check, I made sure to give each one a unique twist. And in the end, I found 2 editing methods that worked best. First up, compilations. All I did was use an AI video editor, such as InVideo, to simply combine together multiple different shorts that Opus Clips had previously created for us. The result? Dozens of compilation videos, all ready for monetization on YouTube. From my experience, these videos also possess the highest likelihood of going viral. My second method was what I call a mix and match. Again, I used InVideo for this, popped in the shorts, and replaced certain segments with stock videos. Just by adding a new stock video every few seconds, YouTube was completely okay with monetizing. Here's an example of a channel doing exactly that and earns over $200,000 in monthly revenue. So, armed with 10 AI-crafted YouTube channels and a big collection of original shorts videos, it was time for the finishing touch: crafting catchy titles and posting on each channel, twice a day. YouTube is pushing shorts more than ever before, and with the high-quality output of AI, scoring views really is easier than ever. What's even better is that all 10 channels gained tons of subscribers, with some even gaining thousands. Should you wish to start uploading long-form content for higher RPM, you'll have 10 ready-to-go channels, all established on the solid foundation of YouTube Shorts. But the story doesn't end there. These channels turned out to be a goldmine for affiliate marketing. The easiest method I found was to use a platform like ClickBank. Simply search for products closely related to your shorts and paste the link in the comments. If you followed all steps so far, you'll have shorts racking up millions of views, opening up a massive opportunity for you to make big money from those affiliate links. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Imagine the growth of all 10 channels after a year. Your YouTube Shorts could regularly be getting millions of views, and each channel alone could earn you tens or even hundreds of thousands per month. Now guys, if you enjoyed this video, I recommend you watch our latest video, 30 Genius Strategies to Make Money Using AI and ChatGPT. This YouTube Shorts method is just one of those 30, so make sure you check out the others.